Praise the Lord, everybody. Praise the Lord, everybody. Let's give God some honor and some praise in this house. I don't know about you, but God has been good to me. Amen. Has he been good to you? Has he been good to you? I love him with all my heart. I'm not here if God ain't in my life. Amen. Amen. I want to thank Brother Cleo for asking me to come and be involved in the program. Pastor, wonderful seeing you. God bless you. You know, they say even a child shall lead them, right? See Amari over there on the piano? I've known Amari since he was about 6 years old. So it's a blessing to see him today. Y'all please give him a hand. He is a great young man. I worked with his father, so it's a blessing to see him here. I'm not going to be before you long, but I want to say this. I lost my dad about 4 months ago. And he was at that nursing home right across the street. Okay? He lived to be 89 years old. Lived a long, great life. And I used to pass this church a million times. And it used to make me feel good when I would go see him and there's a church on the corner. You know, sometimes where the church is, it's just a blessing. Amen? Just a blessing. So I want to thank you, because it warmed my heart many a day coming down this block. I've been in the recording business for a long time. And I asked God, I said, God, I want to create something a little different this time. Because I look at the millennials and the young people, and they need to know God. They need to know who God is. They need to know what God is about. So in putting the song together, I thought about staying focused. And the title came to me, Stay on Point with God. Amen? You can be on point with anything else you want, but stay on point with God. So I'm going to minister this. Y'all pray for me and with me. I gave it a little groove. I gave it a little something. Gave it a little something. So I can get the people's attention, okay, to know if you on point with God, you on point. Say, I'm on point. Don't say it like you mean it. I'm on point. All right, you on point with God, you on point. Amen? Amen. And also, for some of the older ones here, I'm a big Temptations fan. And Dennis Edward, the lead singer, just passed away. And he was an influence on me. So I dedicate this to my dad, James Edward Lee, and Mrs. Dennis Edward. Okay, if we're ready, we're ready.
Give him some praise, yeah!
Y'all put your hands together. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Believe it, stay there. Woo! Hey! Oh yeah. If it feels good to you, come on. I got something to say. Shout on point. Yeah. On point. Yeah. Woo! Hey, the Lord. The Lord, Jesus Christ. Everybody, come on. What you say? I said, what you say? Hey, I've got direction. My life is in His hands. No longer getting by any way that I can. I was sinking down and rolling, trying to go with my flow. But the word is open up my mind. Come on, y'all. The Lord, He's got my life. Hey, I'm doing it right. Hey, come on. He's got my life. Hey, hey, yeah. Woo. Feel good, feel I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. His rod and his staff, they comfort me. No evil, no fear. No evil, no fear. Because the word has opened up my mind and love makes me go. And I'm sharp on point. The Lord has got my hearing. I'm sharp on point. The Lord, Lord, he's so good. The Lord, hey, yeah. Woo! He's just so good, yeah. Hey, yeah. He's been good to me. Gives me victory. Listen, good God Almighty, come on. Cause the Lord is good. Cause the Lord is good. Woo! Shoot it up, shoot it up. 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 Come on, listen, y'all. Get your head up, get your head up. 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 I look good, feel good inside. Thank you, Jesus. I look good, I feel good inside. Thank you. Y'all say it with me. Say it. I look good, I feel good inside. Thank you. Let me hear you. One more time. Thank you. Thank you. Good, feel good inside. Thank you. I want to thank you. I want to thank you. Stay on point with Jesus Christ. Stay on point. He'll lead the line. He'll lead the line. He'll lead the line. Woo! Woo! Hey, come on. Come on. Everybody say, I love the Lord. I love the Lord. I love the Lord. I love the Lord. And I'm on point. God bless you.